Hello students, welcome to the math class. Today we will do area and boundary from chapter 11, page number 157 and 58. An interesting story you will learn from here. See, King's story. The king was very happy with carpenters Chegu and Anar. They had made a very big and beautiful bed for him. So, as gifts, the king wanted to give some land to Chegu and some gold to Anar. Chegu was happy. He took 100 meters, 100 meters of wire and tried to make different rectangles. He made a 10 into 40, 10 meter into 40 meter rectangle. 10 meter into 40 meter rectangle means you know that 10 meter into 40 meter rectangle means 10 into 40 rectangle. Okay, afterwards we can see this one, and first we will learn this one. He made 10 into 40 meter rectangle. The area was 400 square meters. And next he made 30 meter into 20 meter rectangle. What was the area? Is it more than the first rectangle? Let us try to understand that. When he made a first rectangle, it was 10 meter into 40 meter. Can you see? It is 10 meter into 40 meter. So the area, you know that length into breadth, area is equal to area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So what will be the area of this one? This rectangle, 40 meter into 10 meter. So 40 into 10 square meter. It will be 400 square meter. Okay. Next time he tried to make another rectangle whose length and breadth is 30 meter, breadth is 20 meter. Can you see? Breadth is 20 meter. What is the area? What is its area? Is it more than the first rectangle? Let's see. The rectangle, it is rectangle 2. First one was rectangle 1. Rectangle 1. Area was 400 square meter. Now you will find out what is the area of rectangle 2. The area of rectangle 2, area, the same way you will find the area of the rectangle. Area is equal to length into breadth. So length is 30 meter into 20 meter. So 30 into 20 square meter. It will be 600. 3 to the 6, 0, 0. So square 600 square meter. Is it more than, the question was, is it more than, so the next is, what is the area? Is it more than the first rectangle? Yes, it is more than the first rectangle. Yes, it is more than the first rectangle. Okay, now come to the next part. Now, what other rectangle can he make with 100 meters of wire? Which of these rectangles will have the biggest area? I want the piece of land. It covers an area of 800 square meters. So Chegu's wife asked him to make a circle with the wire. She knew it had an area of 800 square meter. See, she has made a circle whose area is 800 square meter. So why did Chegu not choose a rectangle? Explain. Because none of the rectangle none of the rectangle will have an area of 800 square meter. That's why Chegu will not choose the area of the rectangle. So, okay. King said, okay, Chegu has taken 800 square meters of land. Anna, now now I will give you as much gold ware which can make a boundary for land which with an area of 800 square meter. So Anar also tried many different ways to make a boundary of 800 square meter of land. He made rectangles A, B, C of different sizes. Find out the length of the boundary of each. How much gold ware will he get for these rectangles? Okay. For rectangle A, Anar has made this rectangle whose area is 800 centimeter, you can see, and the length and breadth you can see it is 40 meter and 20 meter. It is 40 and 20. Length and breadth is given 40 meter and 20 meter. So the perimeter, for gold, the perimeter. How to find it? The perimeter of the rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. So what will be the length plus breadth? What will be the perimeter of this rectangle? So the perimeter of this rectangle, 2 into 40 plus 20 meter, 2 into 60 meter, that is 120 meter. Okay. Now second part, rectangle B. See rectangle B. Now for rectangle B, see its length and breadth is given 18 to 10 means length is 80 and breadth is 10 meter. So for perimeter of this rectangle B, you can see that we will use the formula same way, 2 into L plus B, 2 into 80 plus 10, 2 into 90, that is 180 meter. Perimeter is increasing as he is changing the length and breadth. Now for rectangle C, see in this rectangle Anar has taken the length 800 meter, you can see it is 800 meter and breadth is 1 meter. So for gold wire for C, you can see 2 into L plus B, 800 plus 1, 801, 2 into 801, 2 ones are 2, 0s are 0, 2 8s are 16. So 1602 meter. Increasing, the length of the wire is continuously increasing as the perimeter is increasing. Now for rectangle D, Anar has chosen this area. Now see, the length of this rectangle is 8000 meter and breadth is 0.1 meter. Can you see? As he is decreasing the breadth and increasing the length, and in this way now the perimeter become 2 into L plus B, 8000 plus 1 0.1. It will be 2 into 8000.1 meter, that means 16,000.2 meter. So big length. Now the king has to give to Anar as he has promised. So see the condition of the king now. Now, gosh, how can I give so much gold? So now do you understand why king fainted? Yes, the length of the gold wire become so long. Can you make a rectangle with a still longer boundary now? I made a rectangle of 1 centimeter wide and 80,000 meter long in this way. Thank you, students.